Most people get this wrong. They install random reward apps expecting instant Visa gift cards, then quit after a few days because the earnings feel too slow or confusing. The truth is, only a handful of apps actually pay real Visa gift cards consistently in 2026, and knowing which ones to focus on makes all the difference. In this video, you'll learn the best apps to earn Visa gift cards in 2026, how they actually work behind the scenes, and the simple strategy to maximize your rewards without wasting time on fake or low-paying apps. Let's start with one of the most reliable names, Swagbucks. This app pays you for things like surveys, watching short videos, and trying new offers. It works because advertisers pay for user activity, and Swagbucks shares part of that revenue with you as points. Those points can be redeemed for Visa gift cards. But here's the problem most beginners face. They try long surveys first and get disqualified repeatedly. The smarter approach is to start with quick daily tasks, then move into higher value offers once your account becomes more active. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inbox Dollars also pays real Visa gift cards, but it focuses more on reading emails, playing games, and completing small online tasks. Someone like Alex in California might use it during breaks at work and slowly build up rewards over time. The key here is not speed, but consistency. If you open the app daily, even for a few minutes, the balance grows steadily. Next up is Misplay, but this one is mainly for Android users. Instead of surveys, you earn rewards by playing mobile games. The more you play, the more points you collect. Those points can be exchanged for Visa gift cards through supported reward systems. But here's the catch. You only earn efficiently if you play games that match your activity level. If you stop too early, you lose momentum and earnings slow down. Another strong option is PrizerBell. This platform is known for flexible cash-out options, including Visa gift cards. It offers surveys, offers, and microtasks. The advantage is that it has lower payout thresholds compared to many apps, so you can cash out faster and stay motivated. In a minute, here's the part most people overlook. These apps are not designed to replace income. They are designed for small rewards like Visa gift cards. If you treat them like a side activity instead of a job, you'll have a much better experience and avoid frustration. You can also use Google Opinion rewards for very short surveys. It won't make you rich, but it's one of the simplest ways to earn small credits with almost no effort. So, here are the key takeaways. Stick to trusted apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Misplay, PrizerBell, and Google Opinion rewards. Focus on daily consistency. Avoid apps that promise unrealistic payouts. And always combine 2 or 3 apps instead of relying on just one. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you want to try first, and subscribe for more honest earning guides that actually work in 2026.